passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch your.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm really excited to be back on a consistent basis. I do feel like as I mentioned that I had a little bit of YouTube burnout, but I'm really happy. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. If you are an oldie, thank you for staying around and supporting me and my channel and my content. And I know sometimes it gets inconsistent, but my goal is to remain authentic through it all. So if I have a lot going on, you know, it kind of does fall short in other places, but I do sincerely apologize if I kind of, you know, lacked a little bit. But I'm in a different space kind of to refresh myself, and I call this like a content retreat, and I feel like I'm gonna have to incorporate them more often until I actually have a content space where I can kind of go retreat into that space. So this is gonna be a really special video featuring Italo jewelry. Hello, like I love Italo. Of course, I'm gonna give you close-up shots on this. Now don't mind my nails, I tried a French and it's just white gets so dirty on my nails so quick, so it might look good from far away, but up close, y'all, it look crazy. But that's neither here nor there. So y'all know I love Italo jewelry. 8 times out of 10 if I'm wearing jewelry for the day, it's something, a necklace, a bracelet, an earring, whatever the case is, maybe from Italo. So I actually have bought things myself for old friends, you know, who are no longer, but no, not no longer, not like that, but no longer in my life. But I have bought things like that for them. I have bought stuff for myself and picked stuff out for me and them. And so I do support Italo outside of just doing reviews, because I have some earrings that I got from Italo that don't irritate me, because I just can't really wear fake studs for like a long period of time. So I kind of wanted like a medium or like in between stud, or like a real stud, so that it doesn't irritate me, because I do get irritated easily in the ear department since I was younger, since my hole was messed up. But that's neither here nor there. So yeah, I do support Italo jewelry. I love that it has free worldwide shipping. I have a discount code, which is white20. Let me see, I'll put it maybe over here, but my discount code is white20. I might even put it down here somewhere, but y'all will see it, okay? And I'll have it in the description as well, and everything, well, both things that I show you today will be in the description as well. Italo has a 60-day return policy, which I really like, because if you get it, you don't like it, send it back. You have 2 months to do so, and then they have a 1-year warranty, so that's really good as well. But let's go ahead and open it up. I will show you the close-ups. I think I got all the housekeeping out of the way, I want to say. Okay, so yeah, let's just go ahead and let me show you. All right, and I don't want anything to fall out, because if I tilt it, that's kind of what happens. But I always love the packaging. I feel like it's really cute. It's really simple and straight to the point. But this is the interior. You do get this like mesh dust bag or carrying bag. Move this over here. Then you have your silver polish and cloth, which is here. So I love the quality, and I love that it is at such a reasonable price. And that's one reason why I support it, because if I can get good quality for a reasonable price, I'm here. I'm here, okay? So then you just have like instructions, not instructions, but like certifications and checklists. So if it was disinfected, and if it was fulfilled, you know, where it was fulfilled and things like that, the merchandiser, temperature. So all your jewelry certifications. This is the 60-day return policy card here. So I love that you get all your info right on top. It's not hidden underneath or anything. This is your 1-year warranty right here. And then you have your sterling silver certificate here. And lastly, your jewelry care guide. So this is going to tell you how to clean it, how to store it. It does say removed it before removed. Why is removed? Remove. All right, so remove it before you bathe, because soap can cause it to I guess, what's the word I want to say? They say soap can cause a film to form, making it appear, yeah, dull and dingy. So yeah, you can go ahead and remove it to counteract that. But sometimes I don't remove my earrings, and they still seem to have a nice quality shine to them. They don't seem like they're dull and dingy. But these are the 2 boxes in here. Like, how cute. Like, the packaging is everything always for me, always. But let me go ahead and take a thumbnail. Okay, let me All right, we got the thumbnail. We are multitasking. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out, I know it's a ring just by the box. And I'm going to do, again, include some close-up shots as well. So I'm going to open it, but look how pretty. Again, you will see a close-up shot because I'm not really doing it any justice by showing you it, but y'all, I have a size 8 and a quarter. Now usually I get an 8.5. I don't know what or why I got an 8 and a quarter. But I'm gonna try to go ahead and take this off. Okay, great. I thought my nail was gonna come off, but that's neither here nor there. So this is a little bit closer, an emerald stone with, now it does have skulls on it. Now I didn't really care for that part, but I really like the design of it, like how it looks and how it looks on the finger. So that's why I chose this one. And the reason, like, I don't have a hate for skulls or anything, but because I got this one, this is my mom's birthstone. And if you don't know, my mom passed away, my birth mom passed away, of course, when I was 4, and her best friend, who is my current mom, she adopted us after that. But I have my graduation ring also is an emerald stone. It's kind of just to commemorate, to remember, to memorialize, if that's a word, you know, my mom, because at the end of the day, I wouldn't be here if she didn't, I would say, sacrifice her life in a sense for me, because she wasn't even supposed to have kids. But I did a whole video on a story about my mom, and kind of just a more in-depth story about my life and my adoption story and things like that. So yeah, got this ring here, and I like to get the emerald stone to commemorate her. But then my actual stone, I think it's a pearl or Alexandrite, I want to say, like that lavender pink, not pink, but purplish color, or a pearl. So that is my actual birthstone because I'm a Gemini, June 9th, okay? But yeah, it looks so good on the freaking finger, and I don't know why the 8 1/4 is fitting real nicely, but it's fitting real nice. Like, I don't feel like it's gonna fall off or anything, but it's also not like too tight on my actual hand. Like, hello. And I don't know, for some reason I really gravitate towards gold, not gold, but silver rings. But I wear gold necklaces more than silver. But you guys know I lost my gold jewelry stack somewhere. Probably just took it all off and sat it somewhere and don't remember, or was traveling and put it in a little pouch and don't know where I placed it. So here we have this box, and this is the bigger one. And again, I will show y'all close-ups of all of this. So I don't want to make it fall out. Okay, it's kind of stuck in there, so that's good. So here you can see it, and it is also silver. I'm really happy because I thought it was going to be gold, and that wouldn't work. I'm taking it out and taking it the plastic wrap off, but I thought it was going to be gold, and I was like, I do wear gold more often, but I'm trying to, oh, this is really soft and satisfying. Wow. But I'm trying to kind of do different things or whatever with my jewelry. I don't really wear rose gold, but I have, again, been wearing silver a lot more lately since I misplaced my gold, my main gold. Still have some. So this one says Ramona, and this is my birth mother's name. So both of these pieces are really special to me because they commemorate her. And with this, you don't have to like unclasp it or anything, which I really like, because sometimes y'all, these nails, they don't do it, okay? But it kind of just adjusts on its own. That's how big it'll be. And I can just slide it on, and then I can kind of just close it to my liking. So I still have like some wiggle room on this bangle, and honestly I want to get some more, so I'm probably gonna go buy some more with my second mom's name, which is Yvette. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and do that because I think that would be really nice to have my birth mom and my second mom kind of on my wrist, and maybe even my name too. But I would get this and get all my siblings on here too. Like, I would just get like maybe their initials on one, like, I don't know, because I think this one went up to 8 or 14 characters. I'm not really sure, but my mom's name is 6 characters. So it says Ramona, and these are the two pieces I got from Italo Jewelry. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of a little bit of insight into my life, even though I did talk about this fully before. I hope this video was cool. You know, it was simple, it was chill. I really liked it and I really love these pieces. So I want to shout out to Italo Jewelry, of course. Thank you for sponsoring this video, and then thank you for sending over such meaningful pieces to me. And yeah, I want to see, because I have some stuff that's kind of engraved from Italo, but I didn't get an engraving on this one, and that's one. Never mind. Never. I'm about to cry on camera. No. Okay. Wait. Okay, wait. So I'm really about to cry. Mom, don't let this happen. So this says, what I got engraved, it says, Mother, cover me. Like, you know, cover me in your grace and your blessings and your peace and your bliss. Watch over me. So honestly, like I said, y'all, that was a surprise to me, because I literally y'all, I was about to cry. I was about to cry on camera. Okay, so yeah, it says Mother, comma, cover me. And that's how you know, like, this was literally to commemorate, to memorialize, to pay homage to my mother. And if you didn't notice, what you'll see in the close-up, the actual stone is a heart-shaped. So it's a heart-shaped emerald. And y'all, I'm even more touched, and this is probably gonna gear me up to wear silver even more often, just so I can wear this ring, because wow. Okay, so thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you again, Italo, for sponsoring this video and sending over such meaningful pieces. I just thought about the engraving randomly, and it was probably her. You know, I feel like she watches over me 24/8. Okay, so with all of that being said, again, my coupon code is white20. I'll have the links down below to the pieces I have. There are so many things for you to choose from: earrings, cufflinks, bracelets, necklaces, anklets, whatever you want. Even like they have engagement and wedding bands as well. You don't have to break the bank to have something that looks really nice and high quality. So shout out to Italo Jewelry, and thank you guys so much for joining. And what is your birthstone? Comment that down below. What is your birthstone?